Welcome to Arabesque. Tonight we're taking you to the Vortex Jazz Club, where Turkish songbird Olcay Bayir is celebrating the release of her debut album, Neva Harmony. Olcay, now based in London, is of Turkish-Kurdish origin, but her music spans a wide range of Balkan and Mediterranean traditions, as well as those of her homelands. Born in Anatolia, one of the oldest cities to be continuously inhabited, she was raised in an atmosphere of music. Not only is the Anatolian city home of the history of tradesmen who, among other things, would trade in musical instruments, songs, and culture, but her father was also a so-called a sheikh, a sort of a mystic musical troubadour. Spending her childhood in these musical environments, she quickly started learning music and started composing already at the age of 6. Relocating to London at 17 to train in classical opera, she then formed a band and started on her debut album. Olcay speaks herself of the Anatolian folk as one of her main inspirations. She says her discovery of the power of culture and her heritage makes her who she is. Her voice is filled with nostalgia, and many of her songs recount her childhood musical memories. Part of her and the Anatolian history, many of the songs on Neva Harmony are hundreds of years old, the earliest possibly dating back to the 17th century. Her album has already had huge critical acclaim, both in the UK, US, and worldwide. And we at Arabesque think that with her enchanting voice, passionate character, and musical gift in uniting different cultures of music, this young and upcoming artist has a long and fulfilling career ahead.